So this example is a bit harder than our last one because we have two linear factors here on the bottom, which means that we're actually going to have to do a little bit more partial fractions technique, right, rather than just polynomial division. So here, because we're going to get an x squared term on the bottom, we're perfectly fine with not doing polynomial division here. So we'll have to split it up into an integral that looks like a over 2x plus 1 plus b over x minus 1. Right, and then we multiply by the lowest common multiple, which in this case is going to be 2x plus 1, x minus 1. Right, and then this x minus 1 is going to cancel here. We're going to get b 2x plus 1, right, and then this 2x plus 1 is going to cancel here, so we get plus a, right, x minus 1. And then we want it to equal what's on top here, right? We want to be able to, whenever we sum them together, we want to get this integral back, or this integrand back. So it has to equal what's on top. Right, so now we can compare, and I like to keep it in this form, we can compare the x's and the constants. So for our x's, we're going to have an ax, we're going to have a 2bx. So we have a plus 2b is equal to a 5, right? There's a 5 there. And then we're going to have a negative a plus a b is equal to our constant here, 1. Right, now, from algebra, we learned that how we can solve these equations. This one's actually going to be pretty easy if we just add these two equations together. So we get a 0 for an a, so 0a plus 3b is equal to 6, which means that b is equal to 2, right? And so then if we plug them in, we get a plus 2 equals 1, so negative a is equal to negative 1, right? So then a equal to 1, right? So now we can plug that into our formula, right? We have 1 over 2x plus 1 plus 2 over x minus 1. Now we can actually do u substitutions for each of these integrals if we split them up, right? So the integral of 1 over 2x plus 1 plus 2 times the integral of 1 over x minus 1. If we do a u sub here, we're going to get that u is equal to 2x plus 1, du is equal to 2 dx. So we're going to have a factor of 2 here. So, and then we're going to get a 1 over u, so that's just going to be ln of u. This is going to come out to be 1 over 2 ln of 2x plus 1, right? And then this one's going to be plus 2 ln of x minus 1 plus c. And so that's our final answer. This one turned out to be pretty easy once we divided up the fractions.